Don't get wrecked, your guide to crypto security. Cryptocurrency is booming, but so are the scams. Want to know how to protect your investments? Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into crypto security. The crypto world is exciting and profitable, but also a minefield of scams and hacks. Unlike traditional banking in crypto, you are your own bank. If you mess up, that money is often gone forever. So, understanding these risks and knowing how to protect yourself is essential. In this video, I'll break down common crypto scams and give you actionable steps to protect your investments. Let's get into it. First things first, you absolutely have to do your own research. So many people get caught up in the hype and jump in blind. Think about it. You wouldn't buy a house without an inspection, so why invest in a digital asset without understanding it? Start with the project's white paper. It should explain the problem, technology, solution, tokenomics, and roadmap. If a project doesn't have a white paper or it's vague, walk away. Investigate the team behind the project. Look for real-world identities and credible track records. Check community feedback on platforms like Telegram, Discord, and Reddit. Be wary of guaranteed returns, they're almost always scams. Gather information from multiple sources. Cross-reference information and look for independent reviews. Understand the potential downsides or risks. Make an informed decision, not a gamble. Let's talk about phishing scams. Phishing is when a scammer tries to trick you into giving them your sensitive information. If they get this information, they can drain your funds instantly. One common vector is email. You might receive an email that looks legitimate but includes a link to a fake website. Always check the sender's email address carefully. Phishing attempts also happen through direct messages on social media. Scammers impersonate support staff or well-known figures. Legitimate support will never ask for your private keys or seed phrase. Fake websites are another huge part of phishing. Always double-check the URL before entering any sensitive information. Suspicious links can also install malware on your device. If you're not expecting a link, don't click it. Hover your mouse over a link to see the actual destination URL. Avoiding phishing scams comes down to skepticism and vigilance. Verify information through official channels if you're unsure. Trust your gut. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Fort Knox. Your crypto wallets and 2FA essentials. Let's talk about where you store your cryptocurrency and how to secure it. Not your keys, not your crypto. If you're keeping your crypto on an exchange, you don't control the private keys. Use secure wallets and two-factor authentication. There are hot wallets, connected to the internet, and cold wallets, offline. For significant amounts, a hardware wallet is the gold standard for security. Companies like Ledger and Trezor make popular hardware wallets. If you use software wallets, choose reputable ones and download from official sources. When setting up a wallet, write down your seed phrase and store it securely offline. Enable 2FA on every crypto exchange account. Use an authenticator app over SMS 2FA. Don't keep large amounts of crypto on exchanges for extended periods. Regularly back up your wallet information and store backups securely offline. High returns, high-risk unmasking Ponzi's, and sketchy ICOs. Ponzi schemes and fake ICOs prey on people's desire to get rich quick. Ponzi schemes pay returns to earlier investors with money from newer investors. They collapse when new money stops flowing in. In crypto, Ponzi schemes often disguise as high-yield investment programs. Red flags include promises of high returns, vague strategies, and emphasis on recruiting new members. ICOs are legitimate ways to raise capital, but can also be scams. Research the team, roadmap, and token utility. Verify any claims independently. Fake ICOs copy legitimate projects and create fake hype. Be skeptical of easy paths to riches. True wealth building takes time, patience, and informed decisions. Avoid get-rich-quick mentality. Commit to thorough research. The crypto security game is always evolving. Stay sharp. Crypto security is not a set-it-and-forget-it deal. The space is dynamic with new technologies and scams emerging all the time. Stay updated with security practices. Follow reputable news sources like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph. Join crypto communities on Reddit, Discord, and Telegram. Learn from the mistakes of others. Keep all your software regularly updated. This includes your computer's OS, web browser, antivirus, and wallet firmware. Running outdated software is like leaving a backdoor open for attackers. Develop good security hygiene and make it a habit. Regularly review your security settings and wallet backups. Don't get complacent. Make security an ongoing priority. Your crypto, your responsibility. Final thoughts. We've covered the necessity of doing your own research, spotting phishing scams, using secure wallets, identifying Ponzi schemes, and staying updated with security practices. In the decentralized world of crypto, you are responsible for your own security. Taking these precautions isn't about being paranoid, it's about being smart and diligent. A little effort on the security front can save you from financial loss. If you found this information valuable, smash that like button and share this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Stay safe and smart with your crypto investments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.